In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. When you're ready, click on this gear at the top right corner and choose Recording File Format by tapping on the best one for you. Then go back and use red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow one more time. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause it, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Now to play your recording, click on it. To rename it, hold it, tap on rename at the bottom, type in wherever you want to and hit save. And to get rid of it, hold it as well, but this time use the delete button next to rename one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!